Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your birthday rich, and I'm going to be using these chicks here. You can see them, they are already chewing. And I have here my fried rice spices, the ingredients for the fried rice. This is green peas, this is green beans, here is carrots, and here is green pepper. So I'm going to be slicing this into smaller pieces and also make use of the chicken for the birthday celebration. So for the fried rice, you can see that I finished cutting the green beans. Here is the carrot. Here is my fresh pepper. Here is the chopped onions. Here is my green pepper that is sliced. And I have here the green peas. Now I'm going to be preparing the fried rice, and I'm going to be showing you how to prepare the fried rice. Enjoy watching this video. Please learn how to prepare your fried rice in a special way without wasting time and without making your rice to be very strong. So here is my parboiled rice. I've just finished parboiling the rice. Now I have here my spice for fried rice. This is Nigerian spice for fried rice, which I am going to be putting into this parboiled rice as it's on the fire now, just to give the fried rice color. So I'll be adding that into the pot now. So you can see how it comes out. This is just to parboil the rice. So for my own, I make it this way so that by the time it boils with the water, you see that the rice everywhere will be mixed. I will allow this to boil, and you will see that later everywhere will turn to the greenish color. So this is going to be a step-by-step method on how to prepare your fried rice. The first step is here. Later I will show you the color, how it has turned, before I will now be adding my ingredient, which is the green peas, the carrots, and whatsoever I need to add inside, and then fry it and make your fried rice tasty for you. So now let's check out what we did here. Wow, you can see that the rice that is parboiled now, you can see how it looks. Now the rice is ready for me to now fry my oil and now fry the rice. You can see that while putting that fried rice spice and at the same time parboil the rice, it was because I don't want the rice to be very strong when you're chewing it. You notice that in most of the fried rice prepared, when it's prepared, you see that they are always strong to chew, and when you're chewing it, at times you don't enjoy it because the rice is not soft or a little bit soft. It's always hard in the mouth. But I had to do it this way and parboil it. This rice is not too soft, but it's normal. Even as it is now, you can chew it. So this rice is ready. I'm going to be frying my oil. Enjoy watching this video and learn how to prepare your fried rice. This is a special way to prepare your fried rice for events or even at home. So you can see how the face looks. So for my fried rice, I'm going to be frying the chicken now. I add groundnut oil into the pot and allow it to be very hot before frying the chicken. So I'm now putting in the chicken so that I can fry it for the fried rice. Now you can see that the chicken is fried. I'll be removing the chicken from the fire. So now it's time to mix my fried rice. Here's my pot. You can see that the pot is dried, so I'll be putting groundnut oil inside the pot. Just little quantity of groundnut oil. I'll allow the oil to heat very well. When it's hot, that is when I'll put my onions. So the pot is hot and the oil is also hot. I'll be pouring in my chopped onions inside the pot. I'll stir it and now pour in my green peas inside. So allow this to steam very well now. So here you can see that the green peas is steaming. I have here the fried rice spice, which I'm going to be putting inside the pots now. And I will stir the pots. I have to allow the green peas to steam a little while. You know, it's always strong, so I allow it to soak before putting in the spice, because now I'll be adding every other thing inside the pots. Looking at the pot now, you can see that the color of the spices are changing to the fried rice color. I'll now be adding my carrots. I'll also add the green beans. I'll add my green pepper here. And I'll stir the pot. Here you can see how the color of the fried rice looks. Now I'll be adding here is my chopped chicken that I have already chopped. Add it inside. So after adding this, you keep stirring this. Now I'm going to be adding salt and Maggi into it, little quantity. So now I'll be adding Maggi inside the pot, and also add little pinch of salt, and I'll keep stirring it. Now I'll be mixing my rice inside the spices. So I have here my fresh pepper also that I'll be adding. I'll still stir the pot. Allow this mix now. So now here is my curry powder, and I also add thyme. Now it's time for me to mix the rice inside the pot. The rice is ready. This is how to prepare your fried rice in a special way, and you see that it comes out tasty and lovely. So here you can see that the fried rice is ready. You can see how lovely the face looks like. This is how to prepare your fried rice. So with this now, you still put it on the fire and make it heat a little while. So here you can see the fried rice is ready. This is how to prepare a special kind of fried rice for events or even at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned how to prepare your fried rice. So this is prepared for a birthday, Margaret's birthday. This is how to prepare your fried rice. I'm preparing this for her as my own birthday gift for her. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. This is Ukeme TV. Don't always fail to tap the bell for notifications of new videos. I am there to always give you nice recipes and how to prepare them. See you guys in my next video. Bye.